For tutorial 3, we will look at Google Sites once again, but we are now going to delve into how we can actually utilize the images and change images within Google Sites. You have two options here. You can either upload one of your own previously saved image, or you can go to select image. As you can see, there's a pre-selected gallery of several different images that could be easily used that are of public domain. You can also search by a image URL that you have, and the preview will show up here below. Also today we're going to look at how to search. So we're going to put in here, which is a direct link to Google Images Teacher, and then you will find that we find a whole bunch of different images that pop up here. So for this video, we'll go there, you select that. You can also see where that picture is coming from here in the URL. That's very important. You will then hit select, and then here we go with our picture. And if you don't like that, you can always go back, hit reset, and then you can go back and try that again. So we'll go back to change image, select image, and maybe we'll find something different, and we will use this as our banner header. Once that is done too, we can change the header type. We can look at all the different types here, like large banner, that depending on what we feel is best for our site. Also too, we can change how the user can, the readability of the page. So as you can see, this is a really great feature. It also brings attention to and automatically basically adjusts the opacity on your banner header type here.